Good morning to all. Today we are going to solve a problem from coupling, right? Design and make a neat dimensioned sketch of a muff coupling which is used to connect two steel shafts transmitting 40 kilowatt at 350 rpm, right? The material for the shafts and key is plain carbon steel for which allowable shear and crushing stresses may be taken as 40 megapascal and 80 megapascal respectively. The material for the muff is cast iron, for which the allowable shear stress may be assumed as 15 megapascal. Right? What data is given in our problem? P equal to 40 kilowatt. Okay, 40 into 10 to the power 3 watts. Speed N equal to 350 rpm. Right? Then shear stress tau s equal to 40 megapascal. That means 40 Newton per millimeter square. 1 Pascal equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Right? Sigma Cs equal to 80 megapascal. Okay? 80 Newton per millimeter square. Sigma C equal to 15 megapascal. That means 15 Newton per millimeter square. Then we want to find torque. Generally we know that formula power equal to 2 pi nt by 60. From that formula torque equal to P into 60 divided by 2 pi n. If you substituting the value of P means, right, we can get torque 1100 into 10 to the power 3 Newton millimeter. Here P equal to 40 into 10 to the power 3. Right? That value is given in our problem. Okay, then we are going to find the torque transmitted. T equal to, okay, pi by 16 into tau s into d cube. Right? T already we have been find. Okay, 1100 into 10 to the power 3, and we know tau s 40. Right? From this formula we can find D. Right? D cube equal to 1100 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 7.86. That means 140 into 10 to the power 3. Right? Finally, we can get D equal to 52. Okay? So, we can say 55 millimeter. Then we are going to design for sleeve. Right? To find the outer diameter of the muff means, okay, that the suitable formula we know that capital D equal to 2D plus 13, right? 2 into D we know 55 plus 13, that means 123, say 125 millimeter. And next we are going to find the length of the muff, right? Length of the muff capital L equal to 3.5 D. We know this formula, right? So 3.5 D means 3.5 into 55. That is equal to 192.5, say 195 millimeter. Right? Then going to check the induced shear stress in the muff. Right? Let tau c be the induced shear stress in the muff, which is made of cast iron. Since the muff is considered to be a hollow shaft, so the torque transmitted capital T equal to pi by 16 into tau into d power 4 minus small d power 4 divided by capital D. Right? Here capital D we know, small d we know. Right? So torque 1100 into 10 to the power 3 equal to pi by 16 into tau c into d 125 power 4 minus small d 55 power 4, right, divided by capital D 125. Right? If we simplify this term means we can get tau c equal to 2.97 Newton per millimeter square. Since the induced shear stress in the muff is less than the permissible shear stress of 15 Newton per millimeter square, so the design of muff is safe. Right? Then we go into design for key. From design data book we can find the shaft of 55 millimeter diameter, right? The width of key equal to W equal to 18 millimeter. Since the crushing stress for the key material is twice the shearing stress, so therefore a square key may be used, right? Thickness of key small t equal to W equal to 18 millimeter, right? Length of the key in each shaft capital L equal to capital L by 2. That means 195 divided by 2, we can get 97.5 millimeter. Okay. Let us now check the induced shear and crushing stresses in the key. Right? At first consider shearing of the key. We know that the torque transmitted capital T equal to L into W into tau S into D by 2. Right? Torque value we know 1100 into 10 to the power 3. Right? L 97.5, W equal to 18. Okay, small d 55. Right? After substituting all values in this formula means we can get tau S equal to 22.8 Newton per millimeter square. Okay, now considering crushing of the key, we know that the torque transmitted capital T equal to L into T by 2 into sigma Cs into D by 2. This is the suitable formula for that. Right? We substitute in capital T equal to 100 into 10 to the power 3 and L 97.5, small t equal to 18, small d equal to 55. Right? After simplifying this term means we can get sigma Cs equal to 45.6 Newton per millimeter square. Okay, so since the induced shear and crushing stresses are less than the permissible stresses, therefore the design of key is safe. Right? This is a reference. Okay, design of machine elements VB Bandari and machine design RS Kurumi. Design data book we can use PSG. Design data book you can use. Okay, thank you.